Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to another reaction. We are checking out a very special music video that features Lisa of Blackpink, of course. This is the FIFA World Cup 2026 music video for Goals. It features Lisa, Anitta, Rema, and FIFA sounds. Very excited about this one. It was actually dropped like hours ago as of me recording this reaction. And fun fact, while I'm not like the biggest football fan at this moment, football used to be my favorite sport growing up. I used to play it and I used to enjoy watching it once upon a time, and ironically, exactly 20 years ago was the last time I ever watched a full FIFA World Cup game. And that was Italy versus France, with the infamous moment of Zidane headbutting the chest of the Italian player, which was very, very, memorable. 20 years later, it's still a core memory of mine. So even though I'm probably not gonna be glued to the screen watching every match or anything like that as it goes forward, but I'm sure that I'm gonna hear a lot about the World Cup. I'm gonna be here right now for Lisa. She is the main reason why I'm doing this reaction, obviously. So very excited about this one. Goals. Without further ado, let's go. This gives off the PS3 game back in the day, Street Football something. There was a FIFA game like that. Literally, it looks like gameplay footage with this set design.
Yes, goals, goals,
oh,
goals, 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 my body, goals, fit, goals, friends, goals, whip, goals, my body, goals,
okay.
goals, friends, goals, whip, goals, shots on shots on shots.
Feel like we need to take it back for scientific purposes, of course.
Goals, 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 goals.
She definitely scored. A la boo boo? Oh.
From my head to my toes. Yes, I'm goals.
Oh my god.
Goals, 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 goals,
holy f. The only unrealistic part about this is that anyone would be able to play a lick of football while Lisa is performing. And the respective dancers, of course. Shout out to all the ladies.
Do what I want.
Damn.
From my head to my toes. Yes, I'm goals, 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 goals.
I love the double entendre, like, I'm someone else's goals. What I do is someone else's goal as well. Ooh.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's like 10-0 by this point. So many goals. Ugh. Yeah, you are. Ooh. Yo, this legitimately gives off like that FIFA Street. What was the name of the video game? It was like for PS2 or PS3. FIFA Street something. It was like one of the coolest fucking games back in the day. And like even like this blue, like for some reason, a lot of parts of this remind me of that game. If you remember that one and actually played it back in the day, shout out to you.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh.
Si tú también. I look so good. I ain't worried about nothing. Me and the girls, we got our tongues out and you love it. I look so good. I ain't worried about nothing. From the skin under my clothes, from my head to my toes. Yes, I'm hot.
Ooh. Damn. Yo, that Labubu is... I don't know whose idea it was to bring it. I'm seeing a lot of comments saying it was Lisa's idea to bring the Labubu into this. If that is the case, then Lisa single-handedly brought back the stock of Labubus, because I feel like it declined. It was all the craze for like a few months. Everybody was going crazy shitballs for it. Then it dipped and almost no one talked about it. So it felt like, and now it's going to skyrocket again. Like, the stock itself is gonna rise. Damn, her stare is hypnotizing. My girl was playing with Lisa as if it was a fucking drum. Jesus. And she's looking at you. Do you see how lucky I am? Did you see that? Jesus Christ. No matter Rema get the only meter flow. When I want check around the world, me no get blown. For Nigeria to Monaco, anyway the mission day. Tell me I go show, I go show. Original ball, I know that go. Take a trip into my mind, you go see I'm all about the ego. Run, 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 run. Cause I'm coming like that. Damn. Everybody they know I'm the one champion. It's my time, put your lights up. Run, 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 run. Cause I'm coming like that. Skin under my clothes, from my head to my toes. Yes, I'm. This is a fun-ass song. Oh my god. Who needs the finals when you just witness the climax? Holy shit. Damn. Okay. I see the goals. That was pretty dope. I wasn't even sure how extensive Lisa's parts are going to be, but this is kind of like led by her, and then the other artists were acting as more like features, which I think they did a phenomenal job. Like the other lady and the gentleman, Rema, I believe. So Anitta was fantastic. Rema, I really like. There was like that moment. First of all, the dude is fucking buff, like makes me feel very self-conscious about my own physique. But there was like a moment when he and Lisa were like looking at each other, and you see Lisa's smile was just like fucking melting anyone if she was smiling at anyone that way. Obviously, we're going very hard for Lisa over at this channel because, you know, That's the reason why I'm reacting to it. Lisa was my gateway to K-pop. If anyone um, is new to the channel, maybe watching this video as my first ever reaction. But yeah, if it wasn't for Lisa, this channel would not be a K-pop reaction channel in the first place. So safe to say that Lisa and Blackpink in general have a very special place for me and for this channel. And this was honestly fucking dope. Even if I didn't know who Lisa was and I listened to the song, if this was playing at a club or something like that, let's pretend like I'm the kind of person that goes to clubs. But if it was playing, it would be hard not to move to it, even though I wouldn't dance in a club, but I would definitely be doing something like this because it's really fucking intoxicating of a sound. So this was fucking awesome. Lisa was phenomenal. Honestly, the dance moves, like this girl knows what she's doing and how to do it in a way that would make everyone's jaws drop, and she did it again. And to see her go from like the album with the solo to then the Blackpink reunion, the comeback, to then Bad Angel, to now this, it all is kind of different but kind of fits all the same umbrella. Like I can easily, the first thing that I was thinking about while seeing Lisa dance with her dancers is like, this song would be very interesting if it was part of the Alter Ego album, and instead of having Lisa and 3 or 4 dancers with her, it would be Lisa and the other 4 dancers would be her alter egos, and it's just Lisa dancing with a whole bunch of other Lisas. Imagine that. Anyway, this was amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. If you did, as always, make sure to like this video, subscribe if you are new, and I'll catch you all next time. See ya.